So today I'm just going to be going over the trade I took last night. So I bought a new eval Alpha Futures 50k zero account, and hoping that this is going to be the account that I pass and hopefully get a payout from, at least pass. And this is the trade I took last night. So I'll go over the day. So going into the day, high time frame, I was leaning bearish. I'll pull it up right now, even though it's probably going to be a little bit of a pain. But going into the day, I was leaning bearish. Price was, let me see, oh, what the fuck? Yeah, I mean, we were around here, and obviously on the 4 hour, we've just been super bearish. So I was like, all right, we're probably going to do a little bit lower. And we have these lows here. Then on the hourly, this candle here was like pushing further down. Looked like we were just going to inverse and flush down to London low and this low here. But I was also open to a move up if we started to reject out of this hourly gap, which is exactly what we did. So go back onto the 1 minute. Where the fuck's my shit? Does it look like this, bro? Okay, so obviously going into market open, I was thinking like, okay, I want to see shorts. Then this is how we were moving down to London low. So we weren't going to get anything to London low, and then we edged on ES as well, and we started flipping higher. And so shorts had failed. That already, I was already like, after this buyback, I was like, okay, probably not going to go lower. Shorts had already failed. We couldn't even take out London low. And at this point, once we were up here and we displaced higher, we had started to respect that gap on the hourly gap. And this is just a nice V shape with a lot of volume. So I was tempted to enter here, but I hesitated, which was ultimately a good thing because I was going to break even. And I was like, you know what, I'll just wait for an actual setup to form. So after we got this displacement and we were respecting the higher time frame gap, also on the higher time frame, we just put in a higher low. So all right, if we go and respect this gap, then we're probably going to put in a higher high as well and just respect structure. And at this point, we started to respect the higher time frame gap, displacing higher. Shorts had failed, so I was like, all right, probably not going to go lower, probably going to deliver high here. So I'm just waiting for a safe entry, retrace, flip. We then retrace into this 1 minute gap and get a strong flip out of it. So I was like, okay, I'll enter here because logically higher time frame, we've put in a higher low, respected an hourly gap. We're probably going to deliver higher because shorts have failed. We're displacing higher, we have draws higher, and we're respecting the higher time frame bullish gap. So I entered here, and then yeah, the trade played out. I won't lie though, at this point I was like, I had my hand over the fucking flatten button. I was ready to just get out of it, but I held it through and I went straight to take profit. So overall, I'm pretty proud of my higher time frame, like using the higher time frame, understanding the narrative as well, just to give me conviction in the trade and the setup. I'm proud of myself for that. And I'm also proud that I managed my emotions a lot better today and didn't close while I was in drawdown, or the second I got through profit and followed my rules, going break even at the internal. So yeah, overall good day. Could have risked heavier because it is an eval, but is what it is, man. I'm still proud of myself for obviously like understanding the high time frame narrative, following my rules and executing without hesitation. In terms of where to improve, I guess just wait for a safer entry and just think objectively, because I was literally about to enter there just something like yeah, it would have just been that. So you know, at that point we could have just really could have just gotten retraced on, but luckily we didn't. Luckily I waited for a retrace and entered when I had a safe entry. So overall, just got to be, just be more patient, wait for the draw on liquidity to, be confirmed, and wait for a safe entry. And obviously just continue to use the high time frame for conviction. So yeah, that was my trade. And if you have any feedback, just let me know. Thank you.